Otudo ombre, dipedi, eraom. Ombre erianveding trend. Mani celebrity leak Barrymore, Khloe Kardashian, en Lorraine Conrad have been seen rocking Tombrazer trend. Tevor ombri French foreshadow, tio urteri darker near rotan gradualib comme lighté tevartan. Ialit clodifer from adipedi, oui shamush more pronounced change in color. Star with and older. Starting with at the older reali can protect your hair from extreme damaging. Oui? When you don't wash your hair for a day, you will notice that your hair is really greasy. It's good because towel can protect your hair from harshness of tubli. Change your cloth into something you don't care about. When you are doing ombrazer it can get messy. You might get a blister on your shirt. So change into something you don't care about. Brush your hair. Even if your hair seems silky it can still have tangle and knot. Take the time to brush it thoroughly before you start the process. Cut foil to different. Ben les orderly will achieve a better, more natural looking ombre. Section your hair. Divide your hair into 4 sections. The first section is the bottom part starting from directly below your earlobe. Leave each section out. The middle section start from the middle of the hair, and the section it rest except your bang. The fourth section include your bang. If you don't have long bang, you don't need to DT par since the rest of your hair will stay dark near the root anyway. You divide your hair, twist and secure section with a hair clip. Mixed bli. T optional, but if you have virgin hair you can use hair your bli. If you have dyed your hair before you must use bli even to get going to damage your hair. You have to dye your hair back to your natural hair if you have dyed your hair red, blue, purple, etc. If you are a natural blonde or bleached blonde, you can have the reverse ombre hair, basically it is dyeing your tip a darker color, or a crazy color ombre like pink, blue, purple, etc. Get an all towel. Wrap towel around your neck and shoulder to prevent it from jetting onto your skin or cloth. You can also cut an arm all out of a trash bag and wear it a poncho while you dye your hair. Put some of the bli in the foil. Tirali help you get even color in strand. Apply the bli to your tip. Start at the tip and go about 3 inches, 7.6 cm, up. You can use a tape applicator brush or your hand. If you want more natural transition you can use your hand, but if you prefer using a brush just use it. Justement B, don't leave a blanc or harsh line. Wrap hair in foil. After you are done applying the bli, wrap strand in foil and fold it. Remember, hair need to breathe. If you crumple the foil, your hair can breathe and it will damage your hair. When you are done with the bottom section, repeat the process until all your hair is done, leaving your bang only. Bleaching the bang. This step is optional. But if you have a long bang, you can add some light towel from your face by adding some bli to the tip only. If you have short bar oblique medium bang, you can just leave them since they will blend with the dark coat of the rest of your hair. Let the bli process. Every hair is different, so make sure you do a strong test to see how long it take for your hair to lighten. It will usually be in the ballpark of 15 minutes. Always check the time and don't ever forget to check it regularly. Open the foil if your tip is light and hug. When you think it light and hug, open the foil and go up. If you think it is no light and hug, wait for another minute or 2. If you think it is light and hug, open all the foil and section the hair to the original section. Go up. Puis some bli up. Probably around 2.5 inches, 6.4 cm, en make sur to be a little messy and no leave a harsh line. Repeat the process from the first bleaching process and leave the bli on the tip so they continue to lighten. Leave the bli to process again. Again, leave the bli to process for about 15 minutes and check it regularly. Everion differ, so qui checking every couple minute until you get the desired color. Open te fois again. Going to be the last bleaching process, and probably the most important bleaching step. Open up foil. Apply the bleach starting from the tip en ye. Write in foil. You basically repeat the whole process, but don't leave the step to process along at first and second bleaching. Try leaving it for about 10 minutes, but check the foil every couple minute because if it get all light it going to ruin the ombre air effect. When you light on nug, open your foil and be ready to rinse it off. Adjust the temperature of the water. Don't make it too hot or cold or it will damage your hair. For a warm temperature to feel comfortable to you. Condition your hair. You don't need to shampoo your hair, just deep condition en use to conditioner en shampoo included in the kit. Continue to use conditioner takam in the kit and it in your shampoo in the next fade. Try to put off shampoo your hair along you can after initial rinçant. Once you are done with rinsing, don't use on it. Let your hair dry to avoid damaging it further. Dealing with brassiness? Some team after bleaching dark hair, you want up with a copy or reddish tone. You need to use a cool color to deal with the brassiness. You can try purple shampoo or Havel. If you have no problem with brassiness or ginger hair, you can just enjoy your new ombre hair. Basically, applying the hash blonde it same with the bleach. So, repeat process again and make sure to apply it digitally so it will effectively cancel out the brassiness and the ginger hair. When you are done with the dyeing process, deep condition your hair again and avoid using it for a vehicle or again, put off shampoo your hair immediately so the color team to set.